div, and I've got here in front of me CS50's readability problem. So they are asking us basically for this problem or for this program, they're asking us to build a program called Readability. So for this problem, you'll implement a program that calculates the approximate grade level needed to comprehend some text per the below. So here's some text, and then basically the program spits out at what grade level it is at. And then there's some more text over here. Harry Potter was a highly unusual boy in many ways, and it carries on, etc., etc. And as you can see, it spits out that it's grade 5 reading level. So we got the formula over here right in front of us. I'm just going to copy this. This is called the Coleman-Liu index. Okay. As the average number of letters and words per sentence increases, the Coleman-Liu index gives the text a higher reading level. If you were to take this paragraph, for instance, which has longer words and sentences than either of the prior two examples, the formula would give the text a 12th grade reading level. Okay, great. So let's go ahead and try that out. So let's go ahead and start off with include standard.io.h, and we're going to go ahead and include CS50'S. And before we carry on, let's think about this. What else are we going to need? What other libraries we're going to need access to? So let's head over to the CS50 manual pages. And as you can see, we're going to be using isAlpha to check whether a character is alphabetical. We're definitely going to use that. So ctype.h. Then we're going to use string length to calculate the length of a string. So string.h, we're also going to use that. And for the formula, we don't need math.h. But yeah, at the end we might need it because we might need to round that off. We might need to round the integer off to the nearest whole number. So let's go ahead and add that as well. All right. So go ahead and include at the top of our file, include math.h. Then include type.h. Sorry, type.h. We're going to go ahead and include string.h. Sorry, ctype.h. Now I'm putting the v type and ctype.h. Okay. And next we're going to start off with int main void and then the first thing we're going to have to do is get the user's input. So we're going to start off with string, call it s, equals to, then we're going to get underscore string. We're going to get string, and I'm going to need to call the text space. Let's start off next. Next, we're going to get an int number words underscore words. So we need to call the int and differentiate between the three. So we're differentiating between number words, sentences, and letters. And what we're going to do is we're going to set that all equal to 0. But yeah, we're going to set that all equal to 0. I think that's going to be the better way. Sentence. Oh, num underscore sentences is equal to num underscore letters is equal to 0. Okay. And then we're going to take num underscore words. No. Oh, I'm missing something here. Let's skip it. First, we have to declare. I went on to set num words, num sentences, and num letters to equal, but I haven't even declared the function. I haven't even declared them, the variable. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Num sentences, and then num underscore letters. Okay. Right, next I'm going to start off with a for loop, and then we're going to take I, we're going to take integer I, and we're going to set it to 0. Then we're going to take the length and then set it equal to the string length, and for s, and then after that we're going to take I that's smaller than length, and then we're going to increment with I++. I think that should be fine. Yeah. Okay, and then what we're going to do now is we need to set conditions. So so we're going to go ahead and start off with the if statement. And as I said, is alpha. We use is alpha. Check if of the alphabet, and then S, I for the index, take number of letters, and increment plus plus. If I is equal to 0, ampersand, ampersand, this is I, so that is not equal to single quotes space. Or we will take I not equal to length minus 1, ampersand, ampersand, S, index of I, is equal to single quote space. Okay, then we'll go ahead, ampersand, ampersand, I plus 1, and right after that, not equal to, set it not equal to single quote space. And then go ahead, take that words and plus plus increment that. Okay. I think I've got a typo somewhere here. Definitely got a typo somewhere here because of the parentheses. Yeah, there shouldn't be parentheses here. Okay. If so, if the if is index equal to so we're going to put a period here. Or I is equal to question mark, or I is equal to exclamation mark. If that's the case, then we're going to take num underscore sentences and we'll increment that. sentences. Sorry. Okay, so basically what we're going to do now is we're going to get the float. Not sure what is the float. I think I did. I think we did copy it early on, but let me just check again. I'm having a look at the formula now. Okay, here's the formula. Yeah, it's L and S. Okay, so I'm just going to copy it again. Right, so it's float L and S. So I'll just go to float L equal to num underscore letters. Divide that by floating point value, and then take num underscore words, multiply that by 100. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and say float S. What we're going to do is we're going to take num sentences divided by float, then go ahead and take num words, multiply it by 100. Again, then take the index, int index, let's just do it like this. Copied the formula earlier. Let's do that. And we shouldn't forget, this is the reason why I included the math.h at the top of my file, because right here I just want to round it off. Okay, so right after that, let me not forget my semicolon. We're going to go ahead and start off with the if statement. If index, so we're setting conditions now to for it to spit out, for the program to spit out the particular grade. So setting conditions to the index. If the index is smaller than 1, then we're going to go ahead and print out before grade 1, go \n, and else if index grade, so we equal the to, what was it? I thought I saw grade 10. I think it's grade 10. Wait. No, it's grade 16 plus. Okay, so we're going to set it to grade 16 plus. Greater than or equal to 16 plus. If so, we're going to go ahead and print if. We're going to go ahead and print if grade 16. Okay, backslash n. And then else. So we're going to just go ahead and print grade percentage I backslash n. And then we're going to add the index after that. So the program's going to spit out the number that it gets if the previous two conditions are not met, and the last one will be met. So, all right, guys, let's just check out. Okay, I forgot a curly brace here. Okay, and there's the formula that we've used. Grade 16 plus. All right, so guys, that's it. And I'm gonna try. I had a few errors, but I've sorted that out now. I'm gonna go ahead and make readability just to see if it compiles. There's one error generated. So it says, all right, go ahead and paste it. Yeah, as you can see, it stipulates that it's grade 12. So yeah, the program is working accurately. I hope you guys like this kind of content. And for all the newbies out there, please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And see you guys in the next video. Cheers.